Hi, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to look at the suggesting mode that's built into Google Docs. So instead of editing, we're going to switch over and suggest some changes. Now, suggesting mode turns the text color green and and it puts like a comment over in the right margin that shows you that it's a suggestion and then gives you some options. So let's look at it real quick. Right up here, you normally are in editing mode and you'll see that little pencil. If you click that, you can switch to suggesting mode. Now you can do this on your own documents, but this makes more sense when you're working on something collaboratively, or if you're helping a friend or family member work on a paper. You can make suggestions here for different things like better grammar, spelling, adding more content, things like that. So we're going to switch to suggesting mode, and you'll notice this turns to green. Suggesting mode is always highlighted in green. So now I can come up here, and one of these items that's underlined is comprised of several rectangular shapes. Instead of is comprised, we can we can say that in different ways, and we can highlight that word and is made of several rectangular shaped rows. So there's a different way to say it. Now you'll notice the word made is in there, but the whole thing is surrounded in green, and comprises is has the green strike through on it. That means that is the word that I'm suggesting that you change. So you can tell right here, this is a suggestion. Over here on the right side is my suggestion, and it's sort of like a comment. And then when you read it, you can choose to either accept it or reject it. So if you accept it, it's going to switch that word from comprised to make. So watch that word when I hit accept. So it just takes this suggestion and edits it for you right there in the spot. So I hope you find suggesting mode valuable. Like I said, it's pretty useful when you're helping a friend edit a paper, or when you're suggesting spelling errors and grammar errors. All right, thank you for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye bye.